Did you know that nearly half of all people with diabetes develop at least one complication? That's a scary statistic, but here's the good news. Many successful diabetics have found ways to beat the odds. They've developed habits that keep them healthy and complication-free. Whether you're newly diagnosed or have been managing diabetes for years, these 11 habits could be game changers. Let's dive in and discover their secrets to staying healthy. Number 1. Regular blood sugar monitoring. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels is a cornerstone habit for preventing complications in diabetics. This practice allows individuals to track their glucose levels in real time, providing immediate feedback on how food, exercise, and medication affect their condition. According to a study published in Diabetes Care, frequent blood glucose monitoring is associated with better glycemic control and a reduction in the risk of complications such as neuropathy and retinopathy. To get the best results, it's essential to use a reliable glucose meter and follow a consistent testing schedule, including fasting, before meals, 2 hours after meals, and at bedtime. Keeping a detailed log of readings helps identify patterns and make informed adjustments to diet, exercise, and medication. Pairing this habit with regular consultations with a healthcare provider ensures personalized and optimal diabetes management. Number 2. Balanced meal planning. As we continue, please subscribe to this channel if you're finding this video helpful. Thank you. Healthy eating is a vital habit for preventing complications in diabetics, as it helps maintain stable blood glucose levels and supports overall health. According to a study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology Metabolism, a balanced diet rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats can significantly improve glycemic control and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Top healthy meals for diabetics include grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed vegetables, chicken and vegetable stir-fry, and lentil and spinach salad. Grilled salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acids and protein, promoting heart health and stable blood sugar levels. For preparation, season the salmon with herbs, grill until cooked, and serve with quinoa and a variety of steamed vegetables like broccoli and carrots. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry provides lean protein and fiber-rich vegetables that help regulate glucose levels. Stir-fry chicken strips with bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas and olive oil, seasoned with low-sodium soy sauce. Lentil and spinach salad is rich in fiber and plant-based protein, aiding in blood sugar management. Combine cooked lentils with fresh spinach, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a light vinaigrette. Incorporating these meals into a regular eating plan can help diabetics achieve better blood sugar control and prevent long-term complications. Number 3. Regular physical activity. Regular physical activity is a crucial habit for preventing complications in diabetics. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity, helping cells use glucose more effectively, which in turn lowers blood sugar levels. A study published in Diabetes Care found that engaging in regular physical activity significantly reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease and improves glycemic control in individuals with diabetes. Top healthy physical activities include brisk walking, cycling, swimming, and strength training. Brisk walking is accessible and can be done anywhere, aimed for 30 minutes daily. Cycling enhances cardiovascular health and can be done for 45 minutes 3 times a week. Swimming is excellent for overall fitness and joint health, recommended for 30 to 45 minutes twice a week. Strength training improves muscle mass and metabolism. Perform exercises like weightlifting or resistance band workouts for 20 to 30 minutes twice a week. The best time for exercise is generally in the morning or late afternoon, but it should be tailored to individual schedules and blood sugar patterns. Regularly engaging in these activities can lead to improved blood sugar control and a reduced risk of diabetes-related complications. Number 4. Consistent medication adherence. Medication adherence is essential for preventing complications in diabetics, as it ensures consistent blood sugar control. Following the prescribed medication regimen, including oral hypoglycemics and insulin, helps maintain glucose levels within the target range. According to a study in the Journal of Diabetes and its Complications, patients who adhere to their medication schedules have significantly lower risks of hospitalization and diabetic complications. Proper medication adherence works by providing a steady supply of insulin or other glucose-lowering agents, which helps prevent the dangerous fluctuations in blood sugar levels that can lead to long-term complications. To achieve the best results, use tools like pill organizers or set reminders on your phone. This proactive approach can significantly improve health outcomes and enhance the quality of life for individuals with diabetes. Number 5. Regular medical checkups. Routine medical checkups are a fundamental habit for preventing complications in diabetics. Regular visits to healthcare providers allow for the timely detection and management of potential issues before they escalate. According to research published in the American Journal of Managed Care, consistent medical follow-ups are associated with better glycemic control and a reduction in diabetes-related complications. During these checkups, they monitor key indicators such as A1C levels, blood pressure, cholesterol, and kidney function. They can also provide guidance on lifestyle adjustments, medication modifications, and address any concerns the patient may have. To get the best results, schedule checkups every 3 to 6 months, maintain open communication with the team, and follow their recommendations closely. Keeping a personal health record and preparing questions in advance can make these appointments more effective and help in achieving optimal diabetes management. Number 6. Proper foot care. Daily attention to foot health is crucial for preventing serious complications in diabetics. Diabetes can cause nerve damage, neuropathy, and poor blood circulation, increasing the risk of foot ulcers and infections. According to a study in the International Journal of Lower Extremity Wounds, meticulous foot care can significantly reduce the incidence of foot-related complications and amputations. To maintain healthy feet, inspect them daily for cuts, blisters, redness, or swelling. Wash feet with lukewarm water and mild soap, ensuring thorough drying, especially between the toes. Moisturize to prevent dryness and cracking, but avoid the area between the toes. Always wear comfortable, well-fitting shoes and avoid walking barefoot. Regularly trim toenails straight across and file edges. Schedule routine checkups with a podiatrist to detect and address any issues early. By integrating these practices into daily routines, diabetics can greatly reduce their risk of serious foot problems. Number 7. Stress management. Effective stress management is vital for preventing complications in diabetics, as stress can negatively impact blood sugar levels. According to research published in the Journal of Diabetes Research, stress triggers the release of hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which can cause blood glucose levels to spike. To manage stress effectively, incorporate relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga into your daily routine. Regular physical activity, such as walking or swimming, not only helps with stress reduction but also improves overall diabetes management. Engaging in hobbies, maintaining social connections, and seeking support from friends, family, or support groups can also be beneficial. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is another effective approach for managing stress and improving coping mechanisms. By actively managing stress, diabetics can achieve better glycemic control and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Number 8. Proactive health screenings. Regular health screenings are critical for identifying and managing potential complications early in diabetics. According to a study published in Diabetes Care, consistent screening for complications such as retinopathy, nephropathy, and cardiovascular disease significantly reduces their incidence and severity. To achieve the best results, schedule annual comprehensive eye exams to detect retinopathy early. Regular kidney function tests, including urine microalbumin and serum creatinine, are essential for monitoring nephropathy. Cardiovascular health should be assessed through blood pressure checks, lipid profiles, and electrocardiograms. Additionally, foot examinations by a healthcare provider should be performed at least annually to catch neuropathy and prevent ulcers. Following these proactive screening schedules, along with maintaining open communication with your healthcare team, ensures timely intervention and effective management of diabetes-related complications. This proactive approach can lead to improved long-term health outcomes. Number 9. Social support. Having a strong support system is crucial for preventing complications in diabetics, as it provides emotional and practical assistance. Research published in the journal Diabetes Care indicates that individuals with robust social support networks exhibit better glycemic control and adherence to treatment regimens. To build an effective support system, start by involving family and close friends in your diabetes management plan. Educate them about the condition, its challenges, and how they can help. Join local or online diabetes support groups to share experiences and gain insights from others facing similar challenges. Regularly communicate with healthcare providers and consider seeing a mental health professional to address any emotional stress related to diabetes. By fostering a supportive environment, diabetics can improve their self-management practices, reduce stress, and enhance their overall well-being, leading to better health outcomes. Number 10. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for effective diabetes management and preventing complications. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology Metabolism shows that poor sleep quality is linked to higher HbA1c levels, indicating poorer blood sugar control and increased risk of complications. To ensure sufficient sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted rest each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath, and avoid screens and stimulating activities at least an hour before sleep. Ensure your sleep environment is comfortable, cool, dark, and quiet. Limiting caffeine and large meals close to bedtime can also improve sleep quality. By prioritizing good sleep hygiene, diabetics can enhance their blood sugar control and reduce the risk of long-term complications. Number 11. Continuous education. Continuous learning about diabetes is vital for preventing complications and effectively managing the condition. Research published in the journal Diabetes Spectrum highlights that patient education significantly improves self-care behaviors and glycemic control, reducing the risk of long-term complications. To achieve the best results, diabetics should actively seek out credible sources of information. This includes attending diabetes education programs, reading reputable websites, and subscribing to medical journals. Engaging with a certified diabetes educator can provide personalized guidance and up-to-date management strategies. Joining support groups, either in person or online, offers shared experiences and additional insights. Regularly consulting with healthcare providers ensures accurate knowledge and tailored advice. By staying informed and proactive, individuals can make educated decisions about their health, leading to better diabetes management and a lower risk of complications. Embracing these 11 habits: regular monitoring, healthy eating, physical activity, medication adherence, routine checkups, foot care, stress management, staying hydrated, sufficient sleep, and continuous education empowers diabetics to prevent complications and live a healthier, more fulfilling life. Commit to these practices for optimal diabetes management. You might also want to watch this video for more habits that diabetics can use to prevent complications, and please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.